Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Khattapan. I am an instructional designer and faculty at the School of Education at Augustana University. Also, the adjunct faculty for the doctoral program at UC Louisiana at Monroe. Um, I am so honored to be selected, and I'm so honored to be here. Because COVID has shifted everything, from on campus to uh, online. So
Mhm.
that's mean it was, things has been changed a lot. And for me and for my peers too, that we can cut down our commute time because now we don't have to go to campus commitment anymore because everything has been shifted online. So it allows us to have more time. Since with this more time, we allocate time to help our peers to develop their class online, make sure that the class, can form from on campus to online. And in that case, I feel like since we are going into this, and even though post-COVID, the world's gonna change. The world of education is gonna change forever. So we need to move into new steps and
Right.
new stage of education. That's why I feel like I should do more research to get to know what are the elements and what are the new trend is gonna happen, so I can be prepared and make sure that all of my peers are prepared to handle the new situation and the new circumstances coming up too. Because of this COVID, I know it's a downfall. It's so unfortunate that this happened, and I feel so sorry for everyone who lost their lives and lost their family and loved ones. In the same time, I try to be prepared and make sure that the new phase of education is going to be carried on and meet everyone's needs. During the pandemic, I had a chance to attend a couple of the Eurasia Research sessions, and I have to say I really like it because of flexibility. I don't
Mhm.
have to travel to the conference site anymore, but in the
Mhm.
same time, I do miss
Physical
the
conferences.
charm,
Okay.
exactly the charm of physical conference
Yeah.
and the opportunities to
Mm.
explore the city that I can to go
Yeah.
to attend the conference. That would be
Mm.
the only downfall. But other than that, I like the online conference because it's allow people to connect regardless of place and time.
Mhm.
Because many times we cannot travel to the conference site because of the budget problems, and
Right.
even after COVID, we can have a lot more
Mhm.
budget problems. So
Mhm.
I feel like online conference really helps a lot. But again, like I said, I miss the charm of being talking to people face to face,
Yes. Yes.
and the interactions will be probably a little bit low because when you do online conference, the uh,
Mm.
the interactions will be kind of a little bit lower than in person, but we can try to improve that. And I
Mm.
have to say that online conference provide more opportunities to
Mm.
attend. I would say first that they can do it in their own place, like at their home, at their office, or wherever they want to choose, without traveling to the conference site. And
Right.
like for Eurasia, you guys you hold the conference in different countries. I like
Mm.
that because it allows us to explore the cities that we've never been to. But in the
Mhm.
same time, the budget and the money problems um,
Right.
can be can be can be
Can
obstacles,
be
but
difficult.
online
Yes.
conference really helps us to
Mm.
connect in this way, and I would encourage all of my peers to attend online conference and present at the online conference. It is as good as the physical conference, but just missing the
Face-to-face
charming of the
interaction. Yeah.
the talking and the in-person
Mm.
talking. But we can replicate that by using online talking instead. My future plan, I'm looking into the new into my new paper, the topic that I'm working on, and
Mm.
I hope I'll be able to present it at Eurasia Research again. And in the same time, I am trying to come up and launch the research that I have with Eurasia to and have my colleagues implement them, um,
Right.
and have to understand that we as peers, we have to keep learning. We cannot stop. Once we
Mhm.
get the information, we cannot just stop here. We have to keep learning and make sure that we implement our research into our future practice, so we can have better, better education, better world, and better outcomes, and better student who will become, the future generation.